Hey Glamours, and today's a very funny video. It is based on something that I saw on TikTok. It is the makeup jar challenge. So let's get to it. So what is going to be our foundation? It is going to be bronzer. So we're going to put bronzer all over our face. So I'm going to be using the Leary bronzer, and it's going to be in the one caramel slice. So let's put that all over our face. It's supposed just to be a funny video, just to let you know, just a funny video. This is going to take forever. Bronzer all over my face. So if you like stuff like this, funny videos, just keep watching, you know. Now we've done bronzer for the face, now it's time for our concealer. What is our concealer? Our concealer is eyeshadow for a concealer. So I'm just going to close my eyes, pick a concealer. I'm using Naked Toys. Let's go for it. What have we got? I've got all-in-one for my concealer. Let's go for it. All-in-one is a glittery product. Our concealer all-in-one. I'm going to be so glittery. Let's do it with my fingers instead of there. Because we want to have this. Which is a really good colour. I like the colour, but using it as concealer, it is blinding. Let me just, I've got some accidentally on my eyeshadow because, you know what? It's good. So next what we're going to do is bronzer. And the bronzer we're going to have is brows. Brows is going to be our bronzer. Let's go for this. So I'm just going to take the Benefit and just going to put it on here. Just rub it in with my hands, you know. Gotta use your hands for something. And bronze it up. Look at the bronzer. Let me just blend it up with my fingers, because that's going to be so much better. Oh my god. my bronzer is done. Now what we're going to do for blush. Blush we're going to use foundation for blush. Let's go for it. Blush for foundation. Put a little bit on for blush. And just blush my blushes up. Look at it. It's covering some of the bronzer, but oh my god, like this is ridiculous. Like my blush. I like to put some blush over my nose as well. I mean, come on. That is my blush. Look at my blush. Highlighter. What have we got for highlighter? We have got blush for highlighter. We have got blush for highlighter. What the hell am I doing with my life? Let's go for the actual blush that we was supposed to use for blush as highlighter. Oh yeah, look at that. It is such a good highlighter. Look at this highlighter blush. I always go for highlighter. Highlighter is done. Blush is done. Now it's time for eyeshadow. What we're going to use for eyeshadow? We are going to use highlighter. That's not bad actually. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to use the Get a Poppin shade as my eyeshadow. Oh my god. I couldn't believe how much order that came in. Right. Right. Now it's time for mascara. We have got lipstick for mascara. So I'm just going to take a lipstick. I'm just going to pop it onto my fingers. And then I'm just going to rub it onto my eyes. See if that will work. Blush. Mascara. Mascara it is. Best I can do. Now, for lipstick. What we got for lipstick? We got concealer for lipstick. Let's go for it. Let's go for back in the day everyone used to have concealer lips. I never used to have concealer lips. So if this takes you back, please let me know in the comments. Now it's time for brows. Mascara. Mascara for brows. Let's go for it. Mascara it up. Let's go for it. Mascara it up for brows. Brows is mascara. The last step. Mascara for brows. And we are done. I hope you do enjoy this. I did actually enjoy myself. It's a funny video. I thought you'd enjoy it. Makeup jar challenge, anyone. If you want to see more of these, please let me know and I'll do that. But oh my god, this is like I look crazy. But at the end of the day, it's all fun and games, and hopefully you do enjoy it. I hope you do enjoy this makeup jar challenge. If you want to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!